Today I want to make apple stuffed buns. For this bun we need instant dry yeast, butter, sugar, all-purpose flour, salt, egg, and warm milk. First you mix milk, egg, and sugar with the whisk. Then add flour, salt, and instant dry yeast and mix well with spatula. Mix well until you get the dough form. Now you add butter and mix well with your hand. Transfer the dough to the silicone mat and knead the dough until smooth and elastic. Make the dough into a ball. Transfer the dough into an oil bowl and drizzle with oil. Cover the bowl with kitchen towel and let it rest for 1 hour. Now we make the apple filling. We need apples, cinnamon powder, ginger powder, nutmeg powder, palm sugar, maizena or cornstarch, water, and lemon juice. Cook apples with other ingredients with medium heat until thickened and apples softened. Transfer apples into a bowl and let it cool before you use it. After 1 hour, open the kitchen towel and punch the dough to release the air bubbles. Then divide the dough into 9 pieces. Then make every dough into a ball. Roll out and flatten the dough. Then you fill in with about 1 tablespoon apples and close the dough. Transfer the dough into 22 by 22 centimeter baking pan. Cover with kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, brush the dough with egg wash. I use 1 egg. I mix with 1 tablespoon milk. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this for 20 until 25 minutes. After baking and the bread is cold, you sprinkle the bread with powdered sugar. You see this? It's really beautiful. This bread is super soft and really delicious with the apples inside. You have to try this. Thanks for watching. Take care and stay safe, everyone. See you for the next recipe. Bye.